Hi there my lovelies, this is Jana here, welcome to my kitchen. So today I have a very special recipe and a surprise for you guys, so stick with me and you're going to love both the recipe and the surprise. Now, we're going to make a very simple yet very luscious, very Christmassy chocolate pie. No oven involved. You are going to adore it. Let me show you how I put it together. Well, first we're going to start with those very simple and easy to find and of course affordable sweet biscuits, which happens to be 99% of the cases already vegan. Check for powdered milk. That sneaky thing that they put in almost everything, check out for that. And we're going to crush it into a consistency of breadcrumbs. And then you pulse it, but don't overdo it. And a special ingredient for this recipe to become even more tasty and even more wholesome, oatmeal pulp. That I have made by using this baby over here, Milky Plant. This is a plant-based milk machine that it's out of this world amazing. Have you ever had a feeling that you wanted something really bad, but then you were afraid to get it and get disappointed with the result of it? I had that with regards milk machines, plant-based milk machines, until I got this one. I have read reviews on many others and then I have tried a couple and they were no good. So Milky Plant was perfect. Milky Plant makes the milk in under 3 minutes. So in this case I have used oats, and then from the oat pulp, because that's the thing about it. You don't need to waste anything from your plant-based milk because you can freeze it and then save it and use it for further recipes, both savory and sweet. So it's cheaper because my milk cost 10 cents as opposed to 150, 180 that I usually euros, which I usually paid, plus environmentally friendly because in every machine sold they plant 5 trees in partnership with ecology. So not only makes amazing milk fresh out of the pulp of vegetables or nuts or legumes, and the full ingredients, the full wholesomeness, the full vitamins and all the nutrients already inside, no nastiness added, no preservatives, no chemicals, no coloring, no sugar. Hello, I always say, in my videos, when we're using plant-based milk for a savory recipe, what do I say? What do I say? You know what I say. Unsweetened plant-based milk, and it is so hard to find because for some reason they sneak in either some, I don't know, fragrance of vanilla or dates or even sugar or sweetener or whatever it doesn't need. So in order to make the milk, you just open the compartment, add the oats, fill the water compartment with water, press the power button for 2 seconds and the start button, and just wait for your milk to be ready. It comes with a bottle because it's very convenient. It is amazing, I'm telling you guys. I've tried with oats, which we're making now because we need the oats pulp to make the crust, to make the base for our pie. So thank you so much to Milky Plant for sponsoring this video and sending me these, the latest love of my life. It is, guys, it is. You can get a 10% discount using my code on their website. Also, on their website, you can find a lot of other recipes. I mean, plenty of recipes. Explore YouTube and Instagram because people are getting nuts over it, no pun intended, already in the special placement in the video. So, and then we're going to add orange zests, melted vegan butter, and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to add into a removable bottom spring mold and use a flat surface object to push it down and to the sides like so. Alright, so now we're going to prepare something to garnish the pie, which I think it's really Christmassy and pretty and looks like you put a lot of effort in it, but it was really easy and simple to make, which is candied oranges. And you're going to make that by adding sugar and water to a pan. Turn on the heat and stir the sugar until it disappears. You see no more sugar. And then you add the finely sliced oranges. Once the rim starts to get a little bit darker in color, you flip them. And when you see that the pulp is a little bit more transparent, like so, you remove them and place them in a cookie rack and allow them to dry for 24 hours overnight. Now we're going to make the cream, the mousse, like it's a chocolate mousse. It's airy. My cat wants to go out. 1 second, please. There he went. For some reason, my cats love windy weather. I don't know why. They sit down and they just enjoy it's not, I was gonna say a breeze. It's not, it's a pure wind blowing their faces. It's their thing. Now, we're going to add chocolate to a bowl, put it in a microwave, and melt it. And in every 30 seconds, you remove it, stir a little bit, and put it back until it's completely melted. Now, chocolate and water, once the chocolate is melting, it's a #1 enemy. Water is their #1 enemy. So the bowl is supposed to be clean, squeaky clean, okay? No drops of water, no steam, no nothing. Your hands and everything that touches it, because if water gets in touch with the chocolate, when it's going to melt or after melted, it's going to crumble. So careful with the water. And now we're going to add whole coconut milk, the one from the can. Now, it's the one from the can because it's concentrated. It has a lot of natural fat from the coconut, and we need that. So we cannot use the light coconut milk or the one from the carton or the one that they say it's reduced fat, okay? We cannot use that. And we're going to add it to the pie crust and put it in the fridge, and voila.
Jingle them bells and frolic, oh by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year, I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears, a toast to him, that red-nosed dear. Jingle them bells and frolic, it's the best day of the year.
How much do you love this? Isn't it all so pretty? And I'm so thankful to Milky Plant for sending me the machine, and I was able to use the pulp. I have several, let me tell you, in little bags in my freezer. I have several pulps of different materials, raw materials that I use for the milks, and I am so happy. And then I served it, of course, with a coffee with oat milk, as opposed to a dessert and stuff. I served it in the afternoon, and it was so good, such a treat. You know, this end of the year kind of treat that we feel we deserve because we've been through the whole year and we survived. So a little bit of a treat here and there, especially at the end of the year, is compensating. Okay. Let me remove, for your own sake, let me remove the chocolate from my face. It's sweet, and it's a little bit edgy, but in a good way. And the crust. Oh, the crust. I told you, and if I haven't, I'm gonna say now, the crust is the star of this dish, because the taste with the oranges and the sweetness of the biscuits, it's so good. And the fact that we added the oat pulp, it makes sure that everything sticks together. I haven't mentioned that. That's another reason for adding the oat pulp to the recipe. And the chocolate is on point because it's not overly sweet, it's just balanced. And that's exactly how I like the desserts to be. So this is it. So this is it for today. Don't forget to check this recipe on the description box under the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're already subscribed. Check if you're still, because YouTube sometimes, right? So, and if I don't see you before Christmas, have a wonderful Christmas. See you next time. Bye bye.